Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. How are you today? I hope you very fine during in this lesson. And today in this lesson we will learn about the slope line and how to find it. The materials that we need in this lesson are graph paper, pencil, and ruler. I hope you prepare it before we learn together. Have you ever seen a downhill or uphill road? There are some examples of slope. So, what is the slope? For helping us find the answer, let's see this PowerPoint show. Okay, there are some examples of slope. Our friend Louis is riding his bike. He goes up to different hills. Which hill will be harder for Louis to pedal up? Later on, Louis is going down two hills. Which hill will he gain more speed on? The answer is hill 4. The measure of how hard it is for Louis to pedal up the hill or how much speed Louis gains downhill is known as slope. Here's the formal definition for slope. So if I have a line like this, the slope of this line is the ratio of vertical distance between 2 points and horizontal distance between the same 2 points. So there is vertical distance and here is horizontal distance. So here is an easy way to remember slope. Slope is rise divided by run. The vertical distance or the rise is the difference between the two y values y2 and y1, and the horizontal distance or the run is the difference between the two x values x2 and x1. So the slope is rise, the change in the y's, divided by the change in the x, and we have the change in the y's is y2 minus y1, and the change in the x is x2 minus x1. And in here we will use the letter M for slope. So if you are given 2 points, x1 points y1 and x2 point y2, the slope M is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, if I have points 3.4 and points minus 2 points minus 2, the slope of this line is 4 minus 2 divide 3 minus 2, 6 divide 5. So the slope of this line is 6 divided 5. Next, the type of slope of a line. There are 4 types. The number 1 is positive slope. Number 2 is negative slope. Number 3 is zero slope. And the last is undefined slope. The positive slope is the slope is uphill, and the negative slope is the slope downhill, and zero slope if the slope is flat, and the undefined slope is straight up or straight down. This is the positive slope. The harder it is to pedal uphill follows, the larger the slope. And next, this is the negative slope. The more speed Louis gains going downhill, the more negative the slope is negative, like this. And this is the zero slope. If when Louis is riding on flat ground. And the last is undefined slope. Is Louis can ride his bike straight up or down. So the slope is undefined. Okay, I think enough. Thank you so much for your attention in this lesson. You have known about the slope of a line and how to find the slope of a line. And now, I will give you homework to use as practice. I hope this will be useful for you, and I hope you to learn and practice by yourself. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.